Okay, Miss Camila here, looking stunning. I had to recreate this look. All the credit to Patrick Ta here. He is the one that did the makeup on her. Let's start with some eyeshadow base. Grabbing this shade, let's press this into our socket. This shade on the brow bone, and this shade on the outer part. So I want to add a little bit of warmth. I'm going to grab the bronzer that I'm going to use later, and I'm just going to start to press that above transition, kind of warm that up a little bit. In that picture, she has a little bit of a wing. So we're going to start from under here and just about right there. Let's smoke the edges just a little bit. Smoke it into the lash line. We'll clean up underneath here with some micellar water on a concealer brush. We got some new spiciness here from City Color. I'm only going to be using the yellow and the green, but I'm going to show them all to you. Just add water. I'm going to mix the green, but you can see they are water activated. There's the green, pink, look how pigmented, and the yellow. So I'm going to mix these two. So we're just going to underline here, go on top, then we'll go right above and underneath to connect. I'm going to be wearing this Catrice foundation today, Rare Beauty concealer. I haven't used this one in a while, and I remember I really like it. Trying out this She Glam powder today. Press it in with the puff. Okay, that is smooth. Same Mario bronzer as earlier. Draw a little bit in here. Grabbing this Cover FX blush, and she seems to have it right through here. ColourPop Cool BFF lip liner. And then we'll just put this Kosas lip oil on top. And here is the finished look. And a little bit of a close-up. Tell me what look I should recreate next.